There's Madani Masjid there. Beautiful minarets, beautiful sight. And like I said, Jazakallah to them for hosting today's event. It's going to be a very warm day. Got my new cycling jersey, club jersey on. Did we have money? Mashallah, brothers here from Dewsbury. What's the name of it? Mustafa. Mustafa, this is the sea. Start to go. We'll see they looking forward to today's ride. Alhamdulillah. First one? Have we done this FOA?
No, this was the third one, I think.
Third one?
Yeah.
Mashallah, what about yourself for the first one? First one. Looking forward to it. You love it. Faisal Khan, yes lads, yes lads. BMCC, mashallah. Oh, walaikum salam. Mashallah, my club members here. My club team.
Yeah, briefly, very briefly.
Taz, Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing, brother?
Alhamdulillah, good, yeah.
Taz, is this your first ride?
First ride.
First FOA ride?
First ever.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, well, I don't know, it's too hot already. We've got heat stroke already, so.
Oh, mashallah, you've been getting your rides in, so you should be okay.
Yeah.
Mashallah, this is our crew. This is the Bradford crew, mashallah. You looking forward to today's ride, guys? Well, Mojo, you're not. Your bloody arm's broken. Get out of the photo video, you. Mashallah, Rafiq, is this first FOA ride?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
First one, yeah?
Yep. My first one too.
Your first one as well? Oh, very good. Oh, Imran, assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
Mashallah, mashallah.
It's my first group ride.
First group ride.
Keep a distance, eh?
Assalamu alaikum. This one?
How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah. You know this one?
So you got two Rafiqs, haven't you? You got Rafiq and then you got the other Rafiq. People, right?
Yeah, there's 3 short here, 4 short here.
4 people that are here. Group 4, once they've got all the kit, Group 4 is assembling by that group.
So are they on their way?
No idea.
One day.
Museum.
If you go to, well, if you've been to Can we get some more at the front if you're happy just to take a knee? Can we get some at the front? We're going to struggle to get you all in the picture, guys.
There you go. Not today, boys. See that one. Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Okay.
Brother.
Yeah, bring the company.
Yeah, no.
Something in. Okay, a few more coming. Bring it now.
It's going on YouTube.
Park over there. Taj.
There's a group 5 there.
Taj.
Just that corner there.
Thank you.
Couldn't have been a more significant timing to be doing this, so Jazakallah for taking the time out, especially on a Saturday after working, studying, whatever it is that you do throughout the whole week. And this is the 6th one we're actually doing. There's always less.
I'll be lying.
Square, which is going to first stop for about 10 minutes for a quick photo shoot before we head off to Halifax. There are the boys, group 1 here.
What's your name?
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine! I just got mine. Free
Palestine!
Palestine!
Free
Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Palestine! Palestine! Come on, Mr. T! Come on, lads! Faisal Khan! Free! Yes! Yes, mashallah.
I'm sure you all love Manchester Road.
What a beautiful group.
Guys, can we try and make the... Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Wow, what an echo. So alhamdulillah, just reached Halifax Road. A lot behind me there. Right, we just reached the border of Halifax and we are approximately, how many miles in? We are 9.46 miles and it's quarter past 9. Alhamdulillah, we are on schedule. Very warm, as you can see from my face. The sun beaming down, I'm sweating. Munir Bhai's there. Munir Bhai, how are you finding it so far?
Alhamdulillah, excellent,
Good,
wonderful, wonderful.
Alhamdulillah, great.
So alhamdulillah, we're just entering Halifax now to Medina Masjid in Halifax.
Palestine will be free!
Right, we're 200 yards away from the masjid and we're going to go to it together, inshallah.
Punch up, take the road! Take the road! Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine! Palestine! MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine! Come on, well done guys, come on. Palestine!
Free!
Palestine! Palestine! Alhamdulillah, we've reached Jamia Masjid Madani in Halifax. MashaAllah, fantastic turnout.
Guys, if you want, Azim, I know you were needing a toilet.
Badge, we met here 6 years ago.
I know, remember?
6 years ago we did the Bradford Manchester FOA ride.
Yeah.
MashaAllah, we meet again.
We meet again, man.
Are you feeling anyway?
Really
Good?
Really good.
Good.
Really good.
Look at that banana. Would you like to
Guys, anybody needs to use
Munir
toilet?
Bhai, how you feeling, Munir Bhai?
Inside, mosque is
Munir
open.
Bhai, how you feeling?
Alhamdulillah,
Good?
fantastic, absolutely brilliant.
Beautiful.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Plenty of drinks. Khalil Bhai, how you feeling? Next stop, Huddersfield Masjid Raza, I think it is. We are inshallah 5 to 10 minutes ahead of schedule. So that's all good.
I'm going to do the brief for the route from here until...
John?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Alright.
Are you finding it?
It's alright, man. MashaAllah, it's nice and steady.
Nice steady ride.
It's getting a bit warmer now.
Free
Palestine!
Free
Palestine!
from the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free!
Free
Palestine!
free.
Palestine!
Kayo, kolego.
I think we're ready.
Sai di puncha.
I'm sure you've got some words of wisdom. Very briefly, I'm sure everyone wants to hear some inspirational words from himself. If you join us from here, please. He's so busy, but he always makes the time to join us. And it's like sometimes you wonder, this is a struggle for all of us.
Where are we, Shaf?
But
We are in Huddersfield, mashallah.
Somebody to third part of our leg, fourth one to go. SubhanAllah, beautiful day, beautiful outing.
Next stop is?
Next stop is Batley, I believe, yeah? Dewsbury. Sorry, Dewsbury, my hometown. It's not very selfless, they have been giving you a struggle to protect him. Allah Ta'ala bless him, keep him, protect him, and give him much help, inshallah. So, what's happening?
It's really an honor that with your honesty,
some very hungry people there.
well trying to raise awareness of the issue of Palestine and what's happening. No, we are part of that mega movement, the global movement, which is making
Come on guys, don't wait for the guy in front. All the way to the top.
Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar!
Free, free!
Palestine!
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 From the river to the sea!
Palestine will be free!
In our thousands, in our millions!
We are all Palestinians!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free Palestine! Free, free, free Palestine!
We just reached Huddersfield, St George's Square. Next stop, Batley, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah.
MashaAllah.
Yes, bhai, how's it going so far?
Alhamdulillah, very well.
MashaAllah, very well organized by Ilyas bhai.
No,
And
it's
the
a
team.
teamwork, man.
Teamwork. Alhamdulillah, we are about 10 minutes on ahead of schedule.
Schedule, alhamdulillah.
So-
Alhamdulillah.
So are we looking to get to Madri Masjid at 2:30, inshallah?
Inshallah.
MashaAllah.
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
Shaf, how's it going, bro?
Alhamdulillah.
Good ride, yeah?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful ride, huh?
Great company, blessed weather. Inshallah, Palestine will be free.
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Come on, Mr. Taj. Go on, lad. Come on, lad. Get them cogs turning. Come on, Mr. Rafiq. Imran, are you finding it?
Yeah, man, loving it.
Good man.
Brilliant. Love the crowd.
Good atmosphere, yeah?
Love the crowd. Nice weather.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Beautiful, mashallah.
Abed, keep right.
So we just reached Birkinshaw and now we're heading up towards Tong Street and then inshallah to Madri Masjid BD3. Yeah, yeah.
I'll block
Yeah, they need to block that traffic.
Palestine! Free! Free! 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 Block here! Block here! Free! Free! Palestine! Free! Free! Palestine! Palestine! Free! Free! Palestine! Free! Free!
Palestine!
Free! Free!
Palestine!
None of you can make it.
Palestine! Palestine! Yusuf, Jazakallah, Yusuf.
We've already eaten biryani, it's nice.
Thank you very much.
Excellent.
A big thank you to Madani Masjid for hosting us. Jazakallah, may Allah reward you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bihan ho gaya?
Yeah. Coming inside after the rest of the guy.
Have you just finished the Bihan?
Yeah, we're coming inside. We do a second bayan for you, especially for you.
All supporters are all Muslim people as well.
Salim bhai, we're taking glasses off. They want to know who's hiding behind their glasses.
If you can bring that big flag to the back, please. If you can go to the back.
Ahmed, आप भी आ जाओ। इंशाल्लाह।
Are you going to stay here?
If you start the citation once they all citation,
I'd like to request Hafiz Arrest to start.
Medal first. Get your certificate now and move things up. हाफिज साहब आगे आ जाओ एक हाफिज साहब के लिए भी हाफिज साहब के लिए एक मेडल हाफिज साहब के लिए ओके शमसुद्दीन बिस्मिल्लाह करो